painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm happy you're here. I'm fiddling. I went online the other day, I believe it was Jerry's Artorama, to order what I thought was my Liquitex pouring medium, the one in the gray and white label. And I just got my delivery and I mistakenly ordered, let me grab it, it's heavy, and I busted the top, the Liquitex Gloss Gel. I don't know how the heck I did that, but I got 2 gallons of it. And then later today, I'm catching up, I'm having lunch and I'm catching up on some YouTube videos, and I'm watching lovely Mina Villegas talking about mixing the Liquitex Gel Gloss. So I thought to myself, well, it's an omen. So I'm going to be playing with some thicker paints today. I'm going to do a traveling ring pour, and I'm going to use Mina's recipe, which is, what was it? 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part Gloss Medium. And I mix it up in this little jug right here until it's nice and smooth. And a real good pointer that Mina taught me was you put your gel gloss in there and add just a smidgen of your Floetrol, mix it up, add another smidgen of your Floetrol and mix it out. You don't dump 2 parts of the gloss medium and then 4 parts of the Floetrol, because the gloss medium tends to kind of chunk up a lot. So really good advice on that, Mina, because I made the mistake and I dumped them all in together and ended up having to strain this. So this is, gosh, I'm baffled today. This is 1 part gloss gel by Liquitex to 2 parts Floetrol. And that is my pouring medium for my paints today, because I needed my paints thicker so that they hold their lines for a traveling ring pour. Our, not our base coat, our, what is it called? Our flood coat, or our flow extender. I don't know what the heck is wrong with me today. Our flow extender is just some leftover paint. It's a little bit thinner than my other paints, and this is Creative Inspirations in the Paynes Gray. I love this color. I just can't seem to stop using it. Our other colors are absolutely yummy as well. Let me show you the consistency so I don't forget. It leaves a lovely fold on a fold on a fold. So this is about 1 part paint with the golden fluids about a half a part, and 2.5 to 3 parts of the Floetrol and the gel gloss medium in all of these paints. Right here is a combination of golden fluids in the iridescent pearl, and I added to it for funsies just about a tablespoon or so of the Deco Art satin enamel in the pure white. This right here, one of this girl's favorite colors, the Q word, golden fluids in the nickel azo gold. Right here, my Mac paint, Arteza, and that, or Arteza, as Canella taught me, in the Bordeaux Red. This is yummy, golden fluids in the iridescent gold. And right here, one of the prettiest turquoises out there in a fluid paint, golden fluids in the turquoise. Now, what's nice about using this Floetrol Gloss Medium recipe is that I paint with a lot of fluid paints, and if I'm going to be doing other techniques that don't require paints to be fluid, then I have to thicken them up, and the gel gloss is the best way to do it. So these are some yummy colors. What I'm going to do, I apologize, I don't have a clear plastic cup. I prefer to use the paper cups. I'm going to layer these paints in this cup, and then I'm going to kind of travel with them, and then I'm going to put my flow extender down so that my paint doesn't roll over, the composition doesn't roll over itself, it flows better. And we're going to do hopefully a pretty little painting on these cute little canvases. Jerry's Artorama is where I get my edge canvases. They are by far my favorite canvases, and this is such an adorable size. It's an 8 by 16. So there you have it. Did I forget anything? I don't think so. Fluid art experience. Just a few more sleeves. Although when I hear this video, I'll probably be there. And then after that, the amazing opportunity of a lifetime, guys, PourCon in Vegas coming up at you in August. And I'm just as grateful as can be to be invited to these things, guys. It just puts a stamp on what I'm doing here for you and for me and anybody who cares to jump in and join us. So I thank you for that, and I hope to see y'all at either or both or whatever. Let's put some tunes on because my head is just a little scrambly today. Let's get busy, guys.
are we kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am